Hello guys, I'm watering the bananas. I'm watering bananas here. Everything need to be watered, to grow. You know, we all need water in this life, So I'm watering bananas here. Let me show you the bananas. Let me show you the bananas. The bananas. Guys, this is called a mini banana. You see this? This. Just look at it. It's so beautiful, guys. But let me show you the real banana that you know. Guys, this is banana. Yo, man, just look at the beautiful bananas. They're still young, but look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is called banana, guys. So, you see, this is bananas. This is bananas. So, look at this. Look at this. It's called a banana. A Venda banana, guys. Just imagine you're not from Venda. Aibo. Ningashinga jisibe. Serious. Yeah, man. But I'm watering here.